Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School of Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my movie review and my topic is The Social Network. I hope you all are doing well today. I am excited to share my review of the movie The Social Network and the valuable lesson I learned from watching it. The Social Network tells the story of the creation of Facebook and follows the journey of Mark Zuckerberg, a talented computer programmer whose ideas grew into one of the world's most influential social media platform. While the movie is based on real event, it also dramatized some situations from storytelling rather than treating it as a complete historical record. I see it is as a story explore innovation, ambition, relationship, and the challenge that often come with success. The first lesson I learned from this movie is that a single idea can change the world. Facebook started as a small project in a college dorm room, but with creativity, technical skills, and a determination, it grew into a platform used by billions of people. This reminds us that great innovations often begin with simple idea and the courage to act on them. Another important lesson is the value of hard work and continuous learning. Mark Zuckerberg spent countless hours coding, solving problem, and improving his product. This movie shows us that success is rarely an accident. It requires dedication, focus, and a willingness to keep learning and adopting as challenge arises. I also learned that innovation must be balanced with ethics and responsibility. The film explores disagreements over ownership, recognition, and business decisions, whether or not only detail reflects history exactly. It highlights an important principle when building something valuable: honesty, clear communication, and respecting the contribution if others are essential for long-term success. Another meaningful lesson is the importance of choosing the right team. Behind every successful startup and people with different skills working together, trust, communication, and shared goals and are critical. A great idea can grow faster when you surround yourself with talented people who believe in the same vision. The movie also teaches us about the importance of resilience. Every entrepreneur faces criticism, setbacks, and difficult decisions instead of giving up. Successful people learn from mistakes and continue improving. Challenges should motivate us to grow rather than discover us. One lesson that really stood out of me is that success is not only measured by wealth or fame. Building a successful company is important, but maintaining healthy relationship, trust, and integrity is equally valuable. The movie encourages us to think carefully about balancing ambition with personal values. The acting, screenplay, and storytelling make social media network engaging from beginning to end. It is both entertaining and thought provoking, encouraging viewers to reflect on entrepreneurship, innovation, teamwork, and leadership. Overall, I found this social network to be an inspiring movie for student entrepreneurs, programmers, and anyone interested in technology. It teaches us that great ideas begin with curiosity, success require hard work, teamwork matters, and ethical decisions are just as important as technical skill. Thank you so much for watching. This is my movie review. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.